I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hello Scorpio, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for April 15 to April the 21st reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel, catered for our international audience. So wag po kayong matakot sumali dahil mababait naman po yung mga tao doon. No? Scorpio, I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So parang itong linggong ito, April 15 to the 21st, ito ang linggong para sa atin. No? With the Six of Swords, the Ace of Chalice, and the Lovers. So parang merong alignment na nangyayari. Something in this week shifted. Kung meron mang mga bagay na hindi kayo napagkakasunduan, meron mang mga bagay na hindi, parang feeling mo, no? Hindi sumasang-ayon si person sa iyo, o hindi sumasang-ayon yung panahon o yung timing. Ang maganda dito, hindi natin sinukuan, no? Kumbaga yung hope is nandito pa din. Isinantabi na lang natin, hindi natin masyadong pinush, kumbaga. Pero we're crossing our fingers that this, somehow, someday, this might gonna happen. And I feel like this is it. Magkakaroon kasi ng reciprocation dito. Especially, magandang balita ito sa mga singles, crushes, no labels, and third-party situation. No? Kasi tayo yung nagbibigay ng, sabihin natin, ng sobrang abundance, attention, affection, no? Dito kay person. Tayo nagbigay ng interest na I like you, no? I want to have something, no? Deeper meaning or deeper connection with you, and I feel like medyo mapapansin mo na itong si person ay nag-exert ng effort. Itong si person ay medyo magbibigay na, dito natin ma-feel na ay mahalaga ako, no? This might be you, this might be your person with the lover. Siguro na iintindihan niya na bakit hindi, no? Bakit hindi ko bigyan ng pansin? And I feel like medyo nag-a-align, no? Siguro si person or ikaw believes in synchronicities, and that is angel numbers, no? So these were the facts na parang sinasabi mo, nag-a-align ang mga bagay-bagay sa akin ngayon. So might as well embrace this. And I feel like medyo nararamdaman ko na I am connecting with someone that I know, no? That I met more than this lifetime, no? Beyond this lifetime. So you feel na twin flame ang inyong connection, and siguro si person sinasabi, hindi ko man naiintindihan kung ano itong feelings na ito, no? Para kay Scorpio, but hahayaan ko kung saan kami dadalhin, no? Nitong napakagandang feeling of romance, no, with the person. Ayan. with my Scorpio. My Scorpio, never-ending story, the Two of Pentacles, um, the Knave of Swords, the Three of Cups. So chances are, hindi nga ito ordinaryong connection lang. No? I feel like there's really something spiritual deep within. Sa mga in a relationship and married couple, I feel like this is the time for you to complete the mission. So, hindi lang ito yung time na, or lifetime, no, na naging mag-asawa kayo, no? Something deeper in this. I think that this is the time na medyo parang second attempt, no, or third attempt. It doesn't matter how many attempts that you made a promise, no, to be a couple once again. Ganun din naman sa mga third party situation, no labels, crushes. I feel like ito yung time para kailangan banggain, no, ibang ganyo yung itong nangyayari ngayon. And if, kasi ang hirap kasi to travel back in time, no? But I feel like meron kasi dito mga deja vu na mga nangyayari. Hindi mo ba napapansin na siguro sinasabi mo, nangyari na to dati, hindi ko lang matandaan kung kailan. Pero alam ko, ito yung gagawin ni person, blah, 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 yada, yada. Or, kung meron mang mga bagay-bagay dito, no, na hindi mo, parang naiisip mo pa lang, nagugutom yata yung person ko, no? And paghahadaan mo siya ng pagkain, bigla niya ma-realize na, bigla niya sa'yo sasabihin na, oo nga, nagugutom na ako. Salamat ha, blah, blah, blah. Alam mo, yung pagkakaintindihan ninyong dalawa, it's beyond verbal, no? Doon sa mga singles, bakit bigla mong maiisip na kailangan meron akong connection dito sa taong to. I feel like kilalang-kilala ko siya kahit kakamit lang namin, no? With the Three of Cups in here, I feel like you are being aligned to a person that's destined for you and to have a celebration or complete the mission, no? With the Knave of Swords, I feel like it requires also for you to take action. And this action needs to be quick. Kasi with the Two of Pentacles, parang pinag-iisipan mo pa yun, no? With the King of Cups and the Four of Cups. So, are we not listening to our intuition? Kasi nakikita ko dito, marami pa tayong signs na hinihingi. And that's okay, no? If you're really protecting yourself from heartaches, no? That's very normal. Pero kung naghahanap ka ng sign, no, na is this person right for me? And I think that this is already, no, an explanation of you met the person for you. And it's beyond soulmate. This is what we called twin flame connection, no? This might not gonna be easy, no? Walang easy na twin flame connection, but then again, this is something that both of you probably needs to learn in this lifetime, and you know that the union needs to happen. Happy. So, eto na rin ang reciprocation ni person na siguro sinasabi niya, naniniwala ako kung ano man tawag dito sa connection na to. Hindi ko man siya mabigyan ng term, no, ng terminology, pero masaya naman ako sa nangyayari, masaya naman ako sa takbo, no, ng relationship namin ni Scorpio. The Hermit, the Ace of Wands, the Knight of Chalice. Ito ba yung sinasabi nating it's better late than never? Siguro tayo nga ang nauna, no, na magsabi ng ating nararamdaman, nagpakita ng interest, no, kay person, pero huli man daw at magaling kung kayo talaga, no? Merong mga realizations dito na siguro ikaw lang muna ang nakakaalam, ikaw lang muna ang nakakaintindi, no? But I feel like siguro nag-a-align din kung ano yung nararamdaman mo, naiisip mo sa kanya, doon sa mga singles, crushes, and no labels. I feel like kailangan nyo nang mag-goodbye, no? Sa inyong pagiging as a status na single dahil eto na yung time para mag-change na kayo ng status dahil si person ay may nararamdaman na rin sa inyo, no? Third party situation, magkakaroon dito ng clarity because of the hermit, no? I feel like this is more than just, kung naiisip mo na baka sex lang ang habol dito sa akin, this is more than just sex. And I feel like paninindigan ka nito. Whether ikaw yung third party, whether ikaw yung nauna, ikaw, no? Ang paninindigan ni person. Kung ikaw itong si Scorpio, and ibabangga natin yung zodiac sign nila mamaya to make sure na itong reading na ito ay para sa inyo, no? Doon sa mga in a relationship and married couples, I feel like either kailangan nyo ng magdagdag or kailangan nyo ng magdagdag ng anak or magkakaanak na, because I feel like this is the time wherein your person would love to, no, na magkaroon ng bunga, no? And I feel like this is a blessing for the both of you to either add or, have your own kids, and again, or add kids, no, sa family. But I feel like this is going to happen this week. So, bago ko i-check yung zodiac sign, I want you to know, Scorpio, na sa kabilang channel po, Babaylan TV, doon po tayo nagla-live, no? So, pwede po kayong sumali doon. Kung hindi nyo po maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no na sagot lang, dumiretso na po kayo doon sa ating website. Sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, name, number, QR code, amount per question, no? So take advantage of it dahil discounted na rin po ang 4 questions plus 1. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya, no? So Scorpio, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. I'm seeing Sagittarius, Leo, Gemini, Taurus, Pisces, pwedeng kapwa Scorpio ito, Cancer, Virgo. Yan. So this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.